they'll probably ask for a settlement proposal. Usually on fatalities, they ask for them early on. So I assume that they'll reach out to try to get one before the discovery. And I don't know what kind of numbers their lawyer's thinking about, but if we can't get it done there, then it would go to an examination for discovery. So I think they'll probably have some sort of number, but sometimes they're low. They lowball at the start of the case.
Okay.
And so you might have to say no to the first few offers or whatnot until they present you with something decent.
Okay. And even that part, how long that part would take?
Well, they need to review it, speak with their insured.
Yeah.
I'm assuming like 3-4 months, something like that.
Okay, that sounds about right. So that would be to until you get in contact with the other lawyer, or
No, we'll probably hear from them within like a month, month and a half, and then they'll take them another month and a half to go over the file. We send them all the records. They might ask for some additional records that we'd have to get. That would take another month to get some additional records if they're asking for that.
Okay.
So yeah, that's usually what happens.
Okay. And do you have any kind of like a ballpark on what the settlements usually are, or just
So yeah, it would be in terms of numbers for damages. So Heather's would be the most, and then you and Mark would have the second highest amounts for damages, and then the grandchildren's would be smaller amounts. So Heather's might be anywhere between I'd say 60 to 100,000. But then plus there's a loss of services too. You and Mark, maybe you guys would both be around the $30,000 to $40,000 range, and then the grandchildren would get like $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 each.
okay.
And then there might be something I'm asking for an amount for the estate for the pain and suffering and endured before he died. So the estate may get some money there. That would be maybe another 30, 40, 50,000. Then that loss of services might be another 20 or 30,000 for Heather. Those are sort of general ballpark numbers. I don't know if the other side's going to be arguing contributory negligence. What that is that even though they're at fault, there's a reverse on onus under the Highway Traffic Act when when a motorist hits a pedestrian, they have to prove they're not at fault. So I see liability being on the driver, but the other driver might try to argue, or their insurance company might try to argue that our Ken was either walking on the road or we're not wearing like bright colored clothing. They'll make some sort of argument to try to make the pedestrian.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's pretty standard.
Okay, that's fine. So so have that signed. Is there anything else that you'll need from me in the next little while, or?
Nope. Next, I'll need you if we go to a discovery, you'll need to provide evidence under oath that sort of a Zoom thing like we're doing right now, but with a court reporter.
Okay. Sure thing. Thanks very much for calling.
Okay. Thanks, Bruce.
Take care. Have a good day.